Oh, helped him with the tire change. That was supposed to be a picture. I guess this will be a quick video. It was 2 or 3 at first, helping out for a while. And you can kind of tell just by, demeanor, comportment, all that stuff they teach you in Navy League and Boy Scouts and Girl Guides. And there's 3 of them, so they'll be able to figure it out. But it just didn't seem safe, and it looked like I could help them out, and I had the time, so we got to do it. Just a tire change. Went quick, got them back on the road. And it's a little Ford SUV. I'm thinking it's an Escape or something. But what stood out for me is the tire iron. It had some really nifty, just kind of engineering features. It's not just it's not your granddad's tire iron anymore. It's collapsible, collapses down into a little bar, maybe 10 or so inches long, but then that folds out, and it's just a really neat design. But a tire change quick, but I'm glad I did it because they kind of knew the gist of it, but some of the finer techniques, I don't think they would have tightened it enough, for instance. And yeah, I think it would have taken it longer. And it's just dangerous being on the highway like that on these highways. People texting and stuff all the time, making TikTok videos while they're driving or whatever, putting on their man makeup or getting into Twitter battles or whatever, yelling at their kids in the back seat, whatever, just stressing over the mortgage, all of that stuff. It's not safe. Yeah, inside the road. I'll elaborate more on that in a future time, especially during blizzard conditions, what happens just on the side of the road. But we won't get into that today. Here's our walk. Out and back before sunrise. We're already heading back. It's just beautiful. So Venus, it was overcast today, but Venus would have been there, and the moon. We're at no moon whereabouts right now, so we can't see it. Pretty soon we'll have a new crescent moon when it starts again. I guess that means the new moon that's coming up, the full moon, that will be the last full moon of the year, which is kind of neat. Because of course there's still 50 or so days left in the calendar year, but it takes 27, 28 days for the moon cycle. That's kind of neat. Yeah, just enjoy this. 5 minutes. C'est tout pour maintenant. À la prochaine fois. Terve. That's all for now. Until next time, to your health.